How's it going, guys? Here is my hexacopter that I've been working on for most of the day today, and I got these bigger motors off eBay. So these are normally, I think, 40 bucks a piece, but I got two 4-packs each for 20 bucks. So I got 4 motors for 20 bucks and then another 4 for 20 bucks. And they work great, and they are quite powerful. These are 13-inch propellers compared to the 10-inch ones that I had on it before, and the I'll show you in a video the next couple days, but the throttle only has to go about that high for it to take off, probably less than a quarter throttle, and it's actually able to hold its place pretty well with minimal vibration and everything. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Just want to do that quick update. I know most of you guys prefer to watch stuff about cryptocurrency, but this is what I was working on today, and it's a lot of fun. So I'll make a video tomorrow of it actually flying. And thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.